Alright, so in the unfortunate event that you've got an X5 F15 and you need to get it onto a tow truck, first of all, you cannot use a tow truck that only lifts the front wheels up and leaves the back ones rolling, or vice versa actually. Normally they lift the rear and leave the front ones rolling so it can turn. But you can't do that with these, with xDrive, because it's all-wheel drive and you'll just break the system. So there's two ways to do it. The first way, if you've got power to the car, so hit for accessories. So I've got power, and you're going to release the park brake, so push it down until the light goes off like that, because obviously the park brake has to be off for it to roll. And then you're going to hold the unlock button down and move the stick halfway forward as if it's going to go into the neutral position. Then hold it there, so hold it in that neutral position. And then put your foot on that brake there, and then hit the start-stop button. Hold that and go up into neutral. And now you can be towed onto the tow truck because the park brake's off, car's in neutral. Now normally you would have someone sit in the car while this is happening, because as soon as you pop the door, like let's say you go to get out and to do the winch or something, you'll see it spits a dummy. It says secure a vehicle against rollaway, blah blah blah. Even if I take my seatbelt off, then you can hear it alarming and carrying on. But you can, even though it's giving these warnings, you can still roll the car. As you can see, I don't know if you can see. Oh my god, it's heavier than it. But you can roll the car back, as you can see. So that allows it to roll if you've got power. In the event you don't have power, that is a problem, because one, you won't be able to release your park brake, and two, you won't be able to use this method to go into neutral. You still need to release the park brake, so you're going to have to hook up a little jumper pack to your jump start points on the car to get the park brake to release the easy way, which is via the switch. And then you have to get the towee to crawl under the car and undo the 5mm grub screw in the transmission, which is a pain in the ass to get it to go into neutral. Your best bet is to get a jumper pack onto the car, release the handbrake, and then do that procedure for neutral, and then you'll be able to tow it up onto the flatbed. Anyway, I'll put a picture up now of where that grub screw is. I'm not going to crawl under and do it. I'll just put a picture up of someone else's. But you essentially have to wind that screw in until it bottoms out, and then the car will be in neutral. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please subscribe.